7 segment LED display. Part number SM1105010G3B. When we see its datasheet, we cannot find any relative document for this component. Let's test it using multimeter, identify its pins, and we will see the type of this display. 5 pins in one side, 5 pins in other side. If you see from the top side, its display is slightly italic, twisted in a right angle. Here is decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 LED segments. The top segment is called A, B, C, D, E, F, and the center segment is G. Here is decimal point DP, and we will write here top view. For pin reference, we will write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will set multimeter to diode. We will touch black lead to any one of the pins and we will move to the others. We will take red as common. Yes. Center pin in the bottom and center pin in the top side are connected together, so these are common pins. It is top view. We will place red lead as a common because when we are testing, it is giving one LED segment on, second on, common, third, fourth. So red lead is common. 1, 2, 3. This is common. This first lead in the bottom row is turning on this segment. It is E. So this pin is E pin. Then this pin is D pin. After common, C. This is decimal point. This one B. Here A. F. G. We connected red lead as common. That means red lead as common, red at anode, first segment, second segment, third segment, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and decimal point. So it is common anode. If you have any numeric display, 7-segment display, you can identify the pins like this. When red lead is taken as a common, so it is common anode. If you want to connect, you will connect resistor at each cathode, then it will connect it to any circuit, any Arduino, any driver IC, any decoder IC. If you think this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.